In this problem, we want to find all real solutions and do not use a calculator. So we got x to the third plus 5x squared minus 14x equal to 0. Now we're going to use the zero factor property. So we have to get 0 on one side, which we have. Then we want to factor the other side. The first factoring technique is GCF, since they all have an x in common. So I factor out an x, and that gives us x squared plus 5x minus 14 equal to 0. And then I want to use the Psd method. Psd because we have x squared, x, no x, and there's no number in front of your x squared. Psd, you take the number at the end, ignoring signs, so I work with 14. And we'll come up with our three columns: P column, S column, and D column. In the P column, we write down all products to give us 14. We got 1 times 14 and 2 times 7. The S column, we add those together. 1 plus 14 is 15, 2 plus 7 is 9. In a difference column, we subtract smaller from larger. 14 minus 1 is 13, 7 minus 2 is 5. Number we're looking for is a number in a middle term, which is 5, which is right here, which means I'll use 2 and 7. Now our larger number that we're using 2 and 7, so larger number we're using in the P column, which is 7, will always be the same sign as the middle term, which is positive in this problem. Now number has circles in the difference column, D for different signs, so if this one's positive, this one has to be negative. Well, now we're ready to apply the zero factor property. Some books call it the zero product principle. It says if you got 0 on one side and you factored the other side, you set each factor equal to 0. So I'll set x equals 0, I'll set x minus 2 equal to 0, and I'll set x plus 7 equal to 0. So I got x equals 0, take negative 2 over, we get x is equal to positive 2, take the 7 over, it becomes a negative 7. And those are our three answers.